their run rate. They would not want to keep too much for the end. Shot. Nobody's chasing this one. He'll get 4 for it. Super stroke. That was a loose one by the bowler, and he made full use of it. Well played for a single. A quick throw right on top of the stumps. Absolutely glorious. He'll get a 4 for it. It looks so easy when you have a batter in this form with you. Holy schmoly! 6 and out of here. That has taken a eternity to come down. That is clean as a whistle. Nicely played for a single. A change of pace could be a handy option on this pitch. Goes the aerial loop this time. Caught! Judged to perfection. Absolutely terrific. He is known for his celebrations and